she tryna find her father. Nigga, harder, don't bother, yeah.
Which one to holler at him though?
They been there for a few hours, huh?
No, he just came, I guess. The nigga who house it was, I guess he was never here. That bitch just came. That bitch just... Come here.
Come here, they wanna know who you is. She can't show her face, you hear me, in public, you hear me? Show him your face, babe. Shh. Pull it up again. When I say Allah Akbar, what that mean?
God is great.
And what you stand for? Be like, man, that nigga that fake, man. That nigga that pussy. Some hoes say I'm a really, some niggas say I'm, you know. Nigga might say I'm broke, nigga might say I'm rich, but I ain't saying nothing. You wanna know why? Shit, I am who you say I am, and I been it. Hey, look, I wanna thank all my fans and everybody who support me. And like my whole team, like, man, this means so much to me. Like, this is my first of many. Like, that's how they presented it to me. I thank y'all, everybody.
No smoke, baby.